Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you a first look and also unboxing of two miniatures that I purchased recently from China. These are made by YUFAN model, and basically these are proxies for some I will see in a few seconds miniatures from Games Workshop for the game Warhammer 40,000, in this case Warhammer Horus Heresy. And the other day I was just browsing to search for some knives and something interesting that I could purchase for my channel, and I came across these little nice miniatures, so I tried and bought them, and they came really fast from China. And now let's see what is in the box. So this first one should be a proxy for Sanguinius, which is Primarch of the Blood Angels. Let me show you firstly the 3D render. So this is the miniature built and assembled. In my opinion, looks really nice. Resembles his father, of course, the Emperor of Mankind. So price wise, we are looking at around $20, something for shipping, and this is a 75mm resin miniature. So let me show you the actual miniature. So it is nicely packaged, came in a big box, so it is protected by a trowel. So here is his base. We have a little bit scenery, some plinth. So here are his wings. And of course, if you like to own the original one, then Forge World has a Sanguinius model as of 2020 or 2019. He was released. This is also a beautiful sculpt, but this is a little bit different, in my opinion. Looks, I would say, a little bit nicer. So his wings have really astonishing details. You can see the feathers and the pinions right there. Let me zoom in to show you the detail. Okay, so this was the wing part. Here are his legs and the weapons. Let me show you the part of the body. Yeah, the armor pieces are really nice and detailed. I hope this goes. Okay. Now in this bag, his arm and pauldron. Probably his iron halo. And the other shoulder with a piece of arm. Okay. And let's see the legs and the weapons. So nicely individually packaged. So here is his blade. I don't know if it's called blade and erkimine and spear of Telesto. So this should be the spear of Telesto. But of course a artist rendering from the studio, so I have not compared it so far with the sculpt that Games Workshop has on Forge World. They look different to me, but maybe some details could be similar. The detailing is absolutely incredible. Let's see the blade. So the blade looks really nice. A few flashes that should be no problem to removing the excess of the releasing agent or bits of resin there, but yeah, and the shaft of the spear. So yeah, it's probably part of his cloak. So beautiful. Now the second one comes with a nice US Army, probably Special Forces or SEAL box. Interesting right there. They have just random boxes. So, and inside this one we have the second miniature that I bought. And this one looked like a Dark Angel, so for me it will be the second Lionel Johnson proxy, because I have one made by Kabuki Studio, which is their Celestial Lion or Celestial Knight series. Sorry about that. So we have a cape, we have a beautiful power sword, and here's the miniature. So let me show you the page. Okay, so here is his render. Also 75mm with the sword and the plasma pistol on a scenic base. Yeah, this is the pricing. So the seller did ship it really fast, so I have no problems with them. I will link him down below. If you like, you can go check him out. Okay, let's see the details. Let me zoom in. So a little bit less details than the not sanguineous model, but definitely more in the line of utility that the Dark Angels have. Very nice lion on the crest. So this will be this. Of course, his backpack. I would like to have lion's heads on the exhaust on the power plant right here, but yeah, Games Workshop has, of course, for the primary Lionel Johnson, a beautiful sculpt, so a beautiful miniature available, which in my opinion is extremely nice. So probably one of the best Primark models you can get right now. He is the newest one in the lineup, so maybe that also figures in this. This one looks a little bit bare bones. For around $18, you should be fine if you need a decent proxy for your Dark Angels Primark. Okay, so here is the has a little bit bent, but you can fix this with a hair dryer without any problems. So here is his sword. So let me show you my Kabuki studio. So here's my Kabuki studio, not Lionel Johnson Primark of the Dark Angels, and his sword is really nice, and as you can see, smaller, but this is a little bit larger in scale. If we want to see a comparison with a regular Marine, so here is a Chaplain. Yeah. So overall, the Kabuki studio miniatures are really nice, but they are more made as knights, so you don't have power packs. Most of them have cloaks, so you don't see that he is missing his power plant for his power armor. And of course I added a nice plasma pistol, and he's magnetized, so you can change how this head. You can also have a helmetless head and without the shield, but with a fist. I have both those options, so I can. He's magnetized. Okay, so yeah, just a heads up, if you are looking for your proxy, your Primark, and don't have a large budget to buy yourself a Forge World original Primark, then you can search for proxies, and like I mentioned, these are mostly not named, such as, so the name of the figure is literally H75mm. So yeah, but this is the reseller. I will put the link down below, so if you are interested, go check him out. I have good experience with him. Shipped it really fast. It came around the world really fast, and also I'm looking forward to making these miniatures, and then of course one day when they are finished, I will probably make a comparison with my other here to share with you. Okay, so wish you a wonderful day. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, and I wish you a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.